Pop star under fire. Grand jury zeroes in on D4VD. Hollywood Hills nightmare. Who knows more than they're saying? Sealed investigation explodes. Is the net closing fast? A chilling murder mystery is tightening its grip. And now, alt-pop singer D4VD has been thrust into the center of a secret grand jury probe in Los Angeles. According to court documents, the 20-year-old Houston-born artist, whose legal name is David Burke, is the target of a Los Angeles County grand jury investigation into the killing of a 14-year-old girl whose decomposed body was discovered inside a Tesla in the Hollywood Hills. The documents, obtained by the Associated Press, reveal prosecutors issued subpoenas on January 15th, ordering 3 of his relatives to testify. The development marks a major escalation in a case that has shocked California. Until now, authorities had not publicly named the singer as a suspect, but the subpoenas describe him as the target and state he may be involved in 1 count of murder under California law. The investigation itself has been conducted in secrecy. The records were sealed in California, but became public after D4VD's mother, father, and brother appealed the subpoenas in Texas. A judge ruled they cannot ignore the orders and must appear before the grand jury. At the center of the horror is Celeste Rivas Hernandez. Her remains were discovered on September 8th, just 1 day after what would have been her 15th birthday. She had been reported missing in 2024 from her hometown of Lake Elsinore, about 70 miles southeast of Los Angeles. Court records say she was 14 when she was killed. The discovery itself reads like a nightmare. Investigators searching a 2023 Tesla Model Y at a tow yard found a cadaver bag in the front storage compartment. The bag, according to documents, was covered with insects and a strong odor of decay. Detectives partially unzipped it and saw a decomposed head and torso. Officials from the Los Angeles County Medical Examiner's Office were immediately called to the scene. What they uncovered next intensified the horror. The documents say that when the cadaver bag was removed, investigators discovered the arms and legs had been severed. A second black bag was found underneath. When opened, it contained the remaining dismembered body parts. The Tesla had been towed from an upscale neighborhood in the Hollywood Hills, where it had been sitting abandoned. The gruesome discovery triggered a massive investigation that has now reached the grand jury stage. Despite the shocking find, representatives for the singer did not respond to requests for comment. The district attorney's office also declined to comment when approached. The case unfolded as D4VD was in the middle of a U.S. tour. He continued performing even after the body was discovered, but as his alleged connection to the investigation became widely reported, he canceled the rest of his concerts and scrapped a planned European tour. The contrast has stunned fans. D4VD had quickly become a Gen Z sensation, blending indie rock, R&B, and lo-fi pop. His rise began in 2022 when his song Romantic Homicide went viral on TikTok and climbed to number 4 on the Billboard Hot Rock and Alternative Songs chart. He later signed with Dark Room and Interscope Records and released the EPs Petals to Thorns and The Lost Petals in 2023. Now, the focus has shifted from chart success to a dark criminal probe, a secret grand jury, subpoenas for family members, and a brutal killing that remains under investigation. As prosecutors continue to gather testimony behind closed doors, one question hangs heavy over the case. What really happened to Celeste Rivas Hernandez, And how deeply is the rising star connected to the crime?